Ghana ashe baako ama Togo enso etimi ashe baako enti se wo hwe U20 African Cup of Nations Wafu B qualify 2024 na eto da o Togo na ese de no ma no enso siko enti Ghana yetimi a qualify a ye rom enso semi finals a ye twen group B omo enso betimi afiri ho aba na afie anu omo enso de ehyem na group B no Nigeria ho Côte d'Ivoire ho ena afi Burkina Faso enso etimi ho a eno ne sede no ma no enso esiko sa championship we no eno ena serve as qualifier for 2025 Africa U20 Cup of Nations we no ye de mo ambe wura mo final nko na eko intino se Ghana yakọ semi final no se antima qualify anko bo final na eze we no eye qualify hunu ntie hwe se Desmond of Fed na mrante no enso betimi qualify but so nya table no de mamia after see a ball 3 games ni wie no say na table no enso sitie Ghana ye na top in group now after 3 games no you nya 5 points any lead here Niger enso etimi to so mienu no enso after 3 games no enya 4 points Togo enso enya emane mako miensa na afi Benin enso enya 2 points wo ha eno aboama Ghana yenso yetimi qualify ye twen group B so the standings no enso besify na afi omo a ye no mu adi bebo ani no yetimi enso ahuomo na bibia enso atimi aye kama pa wo ha eno ene nsem kakra fi oba yere eto yahwefo ene yatifo ni mene enso ewo dwumade ne so yenti wurom na afei ensem aworo a aka akire no yemfanto yahwefo anim na Mr. Timfam free enso atamana kache a branch efe no Kwabena Adumeida eye player edema team a ye friend enso ataman obo edema mo last season no gina mutoto ne ma season wey watimi aboa emo mkobo Africa mo ba enso mo bo Ghana Premier League no na ye hia na ye busa na se sign ena enso ataman mo target no enso sitie season wey na sem say ena Adumeida enso edeto yanim
so additional dey bebre akoso because omomo style of play ni dey no different kakranti no aboa ye bebre wo ekwan be fa so attack a progressive ball na akofo because omo we need to go 4 passes no more do box tin African there you see na bebre efrim
African na mko boy no tinjamo sa munji na musa gubi ma na say something na money experience ma ko
oh yeah working hard as a opportunity never be san ko because na obi no member ya mo leg ne say ye bobi sa keke like was he making impact because last season you finish on the 4th tin you try say this season no either say be ko higher na say ankwara no you be maintain 4th position no
eno ene nsemo Kwabena Adumeida enso ere tu dwa se afi no omo hwese o metimi a maintain omo 4th position no ana se o mefra kosoro ho na sa akonya ba o masan akọ Africa ni BMT no ene nsemo Kwabena Adumeida enso ere tu dwa na yesan busa Ameida biem se afi no ne target ni yesan na afei wonya Ghana Premier League ebo no wonya opportunity wo ba Africa no on 2 players a omo enso e wa ase wono fo na sei eno de tu dwa
this season no last season me share 5 goals for league no me double no season we man hwe kwa him to me double no yeah me can say football no there for head down be chance if we be na we group be no level bi a wo na e mani mbu abem say bia e bia age ubo division 2 ana say because me fit 3rd division na ko premier to subo 2nd division na ubetime fit 2nd division na ubo premier na say to find kwa brother na bibia betime sinti me wo bia mana be mumbu based on level a always
eno ene nsemo a Meida enso ere tu dwa se ba bia wo bia wo si akan as a football player no memu abamumu ono ofe division 3 asesen ne be wura mu e wo Ghana Premier League nim ti ba bia wo bia no koso na hoye de wo ya eno enso betimi di nkunimdie aba ama bibia no enso atimi akoso ye e de ama abranche fa no Zakaria Fuseni e defender e de ma team efe no e Brekum Chelsea o ye one player ma fo gidie se ne modern one wo soro na so wa Bob Brekum Chelsea ache ye pa ye hia no e na mebuta no sopani e offers na ma na say o ye content with say wo Brekum Chelsea
office need that thing say biba but on say mini me mpanyimfo this offer biba na say mpanyimfo no hwe na enya de a be fitimi a enya de so mbeja me akọ and minsu ntumi take decision na ma me won ti de mpanyimfo no be ka no omo na edi mani mi ti de on be ka na o say edu tan bia ya minsu mi tie de on be ka no
eno ne nsamo Zakaria Fuseni di tu just say office ndi ana ebi mba o ya na eba na emom one mpanimfo na ye adwuma nti mre ne du sa na so hwe na wotimi tietie mpanimfo na dwenkyere ne wo mafutu a ndi so moka se wonko de obekọ na monka se wonko de ono so wo hɔ a oye adwuma saa enso de ma team efe ne Brekum Chelsea a yere ho nsem e de air to anim asarbedi akon head coach the my team my friend Young Apostles wabo against Kumasi Asane Kotoko wabo the team my friend Accra has fo ye share na no other na yebusa na say saying na mo target ankasa this season enzo city na afei the experienced players wo mo team nim no the ma young boys a omo enso esi akan no
the 3 Lomote number 5 no 17 Sule unzo no unsu atremai na Edem Olympics ofu atosus na ko Olympics no saba on to show munsu nyansa performance on say okay so on nti sa na tie o ye bom pa say e be wi league ni aka premiership o obi ankope first sell call there bi e bom pa say be wi no ni aka league no e ka Premier League teams of 18 na apostles kan
eno ne Samuel coach Asarbedi akon enso de tu just say omo target ni yesa league no bekam enye so mba be top 4 omo be league bia enso atimi agi ye be ball league na wie no na say Young Apostles enso ka team a 2025-2026 Ghana Premier League season no omo so betimi asi akan e wo mu bi na wabo against Kumasi Asane Kotoko abo e de atia Hasford na ebuta ne say sa teams mienu ono omo bo ya na san na neoma enso esitie
Mobia me buma bonfia so on so we can be we also na mempe Kotoko a big team Obia ni say Kotoko a big team but I will never bow down to Kotoko na has that ana mempe Shombia was Kotoko a big team Obia ni say Kotoko a big team but I will never bow down to Kotoko na has that Shombia was me yiri me huna me bom Obia hu say me a quality coach because of a big club Mobia me buma bonfia so on say so we can be we also bet me manage that team soon there's a chance na my so on the match na
enti waso ono ohia Kumasi Asane Kotoko na house of oka obeso obo na coaches ni teams ni nwo omo tire mu na bonfia obetimi akoach omo na opportunity na ma yese obekoach omo nti ono omo body a na ese munga mu boot for boot pa omo de sia no ono enso atimi atu eno ene nsem Asarbedi akon enso ede tu jana Brekum Chelsea omo target for the season no janko ni enti omo enso communication team member nsem a ede tu ja oben say omo league no omo target no mbeji no omo gia omeko Africa na kwa akobo na Africa no omo ni mbo ede che teams ahoro a na nsemu omo kwa akobo ni na
se beje league no yes
Africa no kwa em
oh say akobida yes yakobida tama Kotoko ne ascot to no Brekum Chelsea na ekopija Ghana ba ebiem ndi ebetimi asen akwa eniye oh yes teams na ba Africa no bi ani bo njem Brekum Chelsea
teams na
oh bi ani bo njem na sa Kotoko ne has ba Africa mfie
so much
the Messi teams na ba Africa na no me de my dreams ela nsu atrene samata obi ani bo njem Brekum Chelsea ndi e ka se be kwa Africa na ye yabo adu stage a omo mbo di se no bi ani otimi du bi yes ntini e ka se be kwa what it takes here to Africa.
Eno ne Samuel Ben enso ere tu dwa ye bo ama wonso watimi ate yanko Accra na afie ndi nkomo from Accra House of Folk Kakachi owura fe no pariado kasa ere ma team fe na Accra House of Folk won say ni say no omo ball mo games no enso league on won say University of Ghana Park ne ho eno mo enso e ball mo games na no ma ekoyie pa enso de won ko points ahoro a omo accumulate nya de ekoyie e de mo na ye busa owura no say no mo ko e no sign na no ma sitie enso Oligon ho
we've won one and we've drawn one. Wow. Which means that we've been able to 4 out of 6. 4 out of 6. It is not bad at all to start from a new venue. And we are hoping that we'll continue in that same manner and continue to improve game after game.
Eno ene nsamo a opariado enso elia tudwa se omo call University of Ghana Stadium no em se nyoma ekoye nkakra de mo a points ahoro no omo enso epic into omo he so me taking a match after match na nanu ada no ye bo Ghana ni Sudan no e wa Accra Sports Stadium eno kire se stadium no timi hosti CAF game Diana is a Ghana Premier League game ne de yebete ne te enti omanyo official communique bi from the NSA say omomra medinam e wa Accra Sports Stadium no omo san use as omo home venue na say eno ne so de tuja
official communication from NSA they say say maybe so we can come back. So but for us now Legon that's our base. Okay, if there's any future change we'll let the supporters know, but for now Legon is our base.
Eno ana samo pariado ede just officially obian for Accra bia mere omo so omo samra back emesi akan enso atimu Accra Sports Stadium na se bibia ba o meka trom supporters no awo mo enso atimi ehu sere no ma no enso asiko Kumasi just no got to fans no eso mo ntiase se da biara da na one goal na nipa ba ko akotokofo ayi ni se omo matches omo hu dawro na onkasa mfa mo na omo supporters mra park no eye need akon mi share need akon am zi fans ne say mo wini o na so eye one goal project
omo nya botre supporters no nya botre kakra. This is virtually a new team. Otias afena ya build the team no eba and ahano with this win no na hu hia yempa. So with this ya try be go no fiaba. Otias dey hia say be nya 3 points no nyame adom yenya league and ebo enya knockout game abeka say hia more goals and then enya 3 points no next time no we'll work for more goals, but with these 3 points in there that was so dear to our heart. Nyame adom and Ayesaka and the rest supporters say omunya boche they requested for win and we have won.
Or say supporters nyan to boasie na more request say mo be win match no e mo win dia mamo nti dia ka bia na de support na say mo support yo mo na be bia enso etimi eye kama na say Kwame Poku na so be landi e wo Kumasi asa no kotoko training grounds na afi watimi atoto to no ma minta so report ne kire say technical team na ni age eye ni performance ne ho nti no the way no man enso si kone de o betimi na afi o mo enso atimi amanaka no watimi asane abora Kumasi asa no kotoko fancy emre na so se odi djuma ni ba basafo no ne sei kokotina
ano na me show no man hene em se o mo mamo anya so kra
dabi o ka hia o
flick there masa wonnim adwuma bota
flick obo adwuma otimi bo direct football na for the ticket Ghana
team we o share no 4-1
that's a Bayern Munich
could have been more
okay bet my bebre Rafia abrante na ye pese ye yi ni free mu no na nsinya ye pese ye ton na nsinya no na wanya anko no ne se wa bo captain Amando Fabwa hat-trick hey classic na build up
ana eno aso me ka se kwoto a out eno anopa so no opra Rodrigo kra na ibibia
ho no
okay
latest neighbor
Musa de Lunin ena kweshia basa teamway
SM say asem na critical
okay
fancy latest no ho
right enti brana so yen kwen na yen fa stories ema ye je for anopa live on the show my men front one say eno matches out no and some about so right from there can say man of the match was and also about onum say Liverpool team no menim say no man for say omo ye disappointed sense omo she go first half ama boboku a ye fan say breast and some restore priority and some more the same first half of game no woman the 1-1 and so every enro play na ye fan say for one vet ono ana enro je man of the match award no and some other kwa na adiba kono say ye about 3 matches our this season Champions League no wonum say match be a Liverpool na bobia no ayo kwere fan say for one vet nay yedim say bounce upon and watch Real team no womo some upon amaboboku a ye fan say Man City so ayada akoda no omo ana chesem womo nyina so hwanum say akodai womo say betimi aka 3 games no wa just 3 man of the match awards and ya akoda na ye fan say for one vet on sem no ana ye dem enwa Nicolo Barella wono some obo ewa we edema Inter Milan team no wono some man of the match award enwa a chesenum na ye game about so Inter boboku no woman some my record and say for the first time about 3 matches our near your fan says UEFA Champions League no our Inter Milan team no woman some consider go na chesenwa woman some amaje can say defensive duty duties no ɛno nso to us ama Boboku a yɛfa no sɛ Inter ɛno Liverpool team no wɔn manager fa no sɛ Ana Slot McKinney a yɛfa no sɛ changes ne nyinaa akyi ɛno nso ama akotan no a yɛfa no sɛ Costas ayɛ Simikas ɔno ɛnso ana gye man of the match award ɛno a ɛwɔ abrakaba sɛ Liverpool Boboku no wɔn nso akɔ away ɛnso ɛne Leipzig ka bɔ yɛ ho nsɛm no nyinaa no yɛde ɛma Man City nso aba bɛyɛ record ne nyinaa no sɛ Boboku a yɛfa no sɛ Man City wonim sɛ record a nanka Manchester United akita ɛnso ade sɛ Man U wɔn kɔ 25 games unbeaten ɛnom ayɛ from September 2007 ɛde kɔ May 2009 na wɔbi ntimi hyɛ Manchester United ɛnso awɔ Champions League no ɛno a Boboku ɛfa no sɛ Man City wɔn nso ade akɔ 26 ɛwɔ Brene wɔn nso ade aba bɛkita saa record no ɛno a no abrantaba no sɛ Phil Foden ɔno ɛnso man of the match award no and some was that match anymore. I feel my boss captain Enra Yefano said Rafinha no a man of the match award Enra Bobo Cavano said Barcelona and some one shoe come came a Barcelona one share 4 Emma Tima Yefano said Bavarians no one some at a Kanamuba Enwa game no my man fan to him said Tima Yefano said Barca Kotanam Rafinha no about hat-trick Kama Lewandowski and some Nashabako Ebium Hurricane and I take Karabako Adama Boboku Yefano said Bamuch and Asa Machino and also Basso and Ra now my man fan to and our brother Minyan and Nano Pay and some Aya Bassa coach Mammy coach and Fanasa Flicky now it's a flicker saying you want to just one of Tim Bian our coachy I want your player beyond the Sasso and some other Rafinha now Bakurana Basso and our some Motumpa one some Nabon and one Niso in a mom was one your player our Tessa Rafinha da our Tim Bian our coaching a banner Bamunchin our national team and some Bawonya Rafinha Sota Esansa Kodan offering mu and any more to many Tamabokua your fans of boss and on watch Babia Kodano was some other about Tubiano one ayana famudi adamatemo into on your time about Kotana Yefan Rafinha and some Abaso.
This is also the quality the players have. They know how to keep the ball playing and also find the right position, the right spaces, and to combine it. And it's really nice to see that. I have a fantastic team, and also the players are unbelievable. But at the end, like Rafinha, I never had a player like this because he's unbelievable. The dynamic against the ball, but also with the ball, his speed is really fantastic. And yeah, but you know, at the end, is this kind of player. I think every team needs it, and we have it, and we are really happy.
Yes, I know I bounce our coach and fan say Hansen Flickana. What is your Dana accepts Emma Natchez Alcotano and our coach and Albonabaso Unum San Ronsono and about Rafinha upon a match at Toso and Malcolm Cohen draft at Yama FC Barcelona. No more game and Rafinha so Kasai. Now Rafinha say so ball game at Toso hand draft. I'm a Barcelona. Now Obabo Ediate Timbi Arisa Bamuntin and what Robesanya hat trick our bra and your friendly game and your league match no mom and your UEFA Champions League night no was him who wears our from former BHS and some best worker and I just want some crown cases Nania Gia pass and was on your money no and no some boss Adaman Afei was say you want to just say and one of Joe and some like Debakua for a very long time on us Abakai and yet send a rubber free and you and one and no some Abbas Adebakua a shock me and some medicaid and somebody about to our brano and some other stories I'm about come Emma McCatcher said to be my bouncer woman should be best 7 still not many Jan was not that out womuna and what your bouncer shall favor not flick womuna and I'm saying not Nibabania would you wish 90 numkrana still on your satisfied on himself coach and some other coach say woman a great game no mom there was a moment our match anymore woman pressy I was so improving I was hey dear class and cried baby we watch a bamuchin and shana makuma and nine and natchez and kabat me ashabium and somebody account coach and some kokana and one post match and say what did you ever say drew baby not pass a timono woman pressy and I'm sitting young Korani and running in it woman pressy no I just I know I asked my coach and some other coach Varas Basa Korane fan salami yamano me say me can and say company nankasa abeka say Barca for Ronaldinho kwan womu benya Leo Messi womu ja Leo Messi kwan womu ba benya Lamine Yamal menka the last time ayetesa Barca first ai anankebia Messi wa ha anankebia Messi wa ha moduba akoda no so bɔ bra ano hye papa hey akoda ni bobo chese Lamine Yamal won sem ni nyina no ye de MH from me coach ye fan Vincent company ono and we opposite number my coach na ye fan Flick and our company one after the game was say you want to just say before and no match no na ba mo chin aye team a wo Europa wo mom and na come concede the least number of chances na just a team won team critical chances entiane p aye ba mo chin so anu abra ba bia ba fa bia na ho nyunu say ta na basa anu abasa for the boy kwa na ehu just anu sem omanya dwuma ni eno mo je 4-1 anu coach ni say enu na dwom na enye enough enu ma Bavarians ebiem enso aye first half ni mo na just a game anka omo betimi adinkunim ama ye na mom aye second goal no ana be dane ni oma yinche so ma coach ye fa no say company and some other man central for
Barca is always a top team in Europe. I think it's no surprise, and they're the games that we want to win. They're the games that we want to show the best version of Bayern München in. And today, congratulations to Barcelona for the win, and for us, we have to learn from this game to continue in the Bundesliga to be the best team we can be, and then come back in the Champions League and get more wins.
Yes, I know I am Bamunchin coach. I don't know Champions League game. I west to Aston Villa or Colusu and one at Joe. I went to Montjuic and we have Barcelona and also San Colusu. I was say, woman when so bet me cover our Bundesliga anymore. Now, also at the run our Champions League anymore. And I asked my coach and Albert and one player back. Now, Chesam Sanyoma coach show Emmanuel Quatana. You found Thomas Muller. Nemum will be a Omunya draw area pet. No about many I see you soon, sir. And then Rabasa the one and the 4-1 and after the game, Thomas Muller say second goal Lewandowski. I say yeah, just a family Lopez copia and you keep me J and no, and I just a goal on Thomas Muller and some question say about the same and I know as I go to stand here since the moment we be aquarium now no sabe piano kakrabino and manipulate Lucia can say balance and was second goal at my Barcelona Crasan Kitchener. Now, so you know, cross to Tunche and one. What did you about so many chances? Biano San Kabobokua, your father's a brain, and some Barry and one Ankobanasa, we Ayer Thomas Muller.
Normally, many keys for us. The second goal was maybe a little bit to discuss about the situation. Minje was in the air. On the field, it felt like a foul. You know, when you're in the air and you get a push on purpose. I don't know how much it looked like a foul, but in the end it was a foul, maybe a small foul. The ref checked it and said, okay, it was not big enough, the foul, I think, because he saw the action. That was a crucial moment for us, but even after that we had the chance to come back.
Yes, not just a second goal at FC Barcelona and some nation and one a crucial moment at the moment game now and no Kakefina Swadaba say many Jeffan Flick but answer medical about to Jano Quad right after pre-season and I'm about to just a boss of boys no be obedient Comobiano Ejiria Basa coach and Fanasa Flick Ayobia Waman just physically them papa Emma boss a crack bomb say one second or third La Liga game and I'm the opponent to say some other boss of 4 popona one more say 80 minutes to Satamasa or Brenner and a boss of 4 crown dinner bumps to Thomas what kind of do son of Panacoscua this Obobi no it's a boss of 4 what this na and a German second and nano peno and some others Jules Kunde and right what me you ball for me so not what control masa I said ya basa ya didn't power sao say will be any body bomb na Jules Kunde bra and what 2 ho obi an was one per 2 and a Shafi coach batches a 2 na sonny dem na and what Jules Kunde after the game on some akasa yin chase my FC Barcelona one some right back in front of Jules Kunde and some other man central for Enra.
It feels great. Champions League night against Bayern, which is always a tough opponent. So we're really happy about that win. It has confidence. It has confidence. I think we built a lot of confidence since the beginning of the season. Today was, I will say, not our first big test, Champions League game against Bayern, which is, as I said, always tough. And we came victorious. We played a great game. I think we started very well. We scored a goal early, and after the goal, we had a little bit of struggle. But
yes, I know I Jeffrey Mobanti, Nyamiarma, when I brought up to the game, El Clasico, our Santa Governor Bow, Madrid ball without Thibaut Courtois saying, and our Bobo Crefan, some Madrid Bessia fair, and some our Sam March and our Brown, something, you know, Yabasada built up and your mouse on set to me, and some Madame into from our what kind of reference Edson Arantes, Donacemento Pele. Wanyana baby ko o refer to Pele Nebano yase ketu wom ensom ye fa no Joshua na Joshua say osra Ballon d'Or mamun kwan hwehwe mu ay Vinicius adia na tedian say ne papa no kraka da bi na nayi wo proposal ni baby abia ye kaso no ensom abon ball and say ne papa fa no Pele wo baby a chese proposal ya kwata bia wonom am ye Sompa proposal ada so tiase wo bon ball chese Pele o man kai ne papa enom I am Vinicius into Ballon d'Or no I was some of the Marcotana you found Vinicius and I Joshua and papa and some other reference a pillar you then accept singing at them Enra and let's come out of them pen for say one more consider penalty in Enra coach you found Santiago Simeone hey na ya ball and cow be answer shack Phantom I'm born almost say I can't a year captain you found so horror resurrection cocaine one say I can't cook answer born so share a picture na bonum anka koke ensa wo mo se omu hu bi da se ye popo na obi ampia obi ball anka obi ansa ni nyina chi no mo je aye penalty ensom ade chi Atletico Liverpool team no eno ana slot wo mo som akwa away e ma ne ma som akwa fine Edema Saida ye fan se Liverpool after the game no my manager fan se ana slot eno ono som akasai.
We are really happy with a win. You play a difficult away game against a Group 1 team with Leipzig that has done really well in the league till now and also last season in the Champions League. So we know it was a difficult away game, but what pleased me a lot is what you just said, that we controlled the game for a large part, except for the last 15 to 20 minutes, where we definitely needed our two centre-backs, Virgil and Ibu, to keep a clean sheet, and also our goalkeeper in two big moments. And that was, in my opinion,
yes, and no, to the Mushan, I touch in a young cry now. Oh, my body has also the bass and Tatao.
Lewandowski.